Today I'm going to show you how to stop receiving ads campaigns notifications on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you're tired of getting those promotional alerts and want a cleaner, quieter notification experience, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials like this. Now let's get started. First, open X.com and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the notification settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click More. This will open up a menu with additional account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your main account controls are located, including privacy, security, and notification settings. Next, click Notifications. On the Notifications page, you'll see several categories related to how X sends alerts to your account. Now click Preferences. This section lets you control the types of notifications you receive from X. After that, click Push Notifications. This is the area that manages alerts that appear on your device through push notifications. Now, look for ads campaigns and simply toggle it off. Once you switch that off, X will stop sending you those ads campaigns push notifications. That's it. You've now successfully turned off ads campaigns notifications on X.com. Your notifications should be much cleaner from here on out, with fewer promotional interruptions. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.